In a lively jungle full of tall trees and singing birds, a colony of ants was starting their day. Marching in perfect lines, they carried crumbs, leaves, and tiny seeds back to their cozy underground home. These weren't just ordinary ants. They had a strong team. Ruby, the brave guard ant, Max, the clever builder, and Zara, the speedy scout. Together, they kept their colony safe and happy. But one day, a snake named Sly was slinking through the jungle. He was hungry and lazy. He didn't want to hunt. He wanted an easy snack. Ruby the guard ant saw Sly getting closer. Her tiny antenna twitched. Zara zipped to warn the queen. Max built a wall from twigs, and the other ants formed a brave circle, tiny but fearless. Sly hissed and lunged forward, thinking it would be easy, but the ants had a plan. Ants climbed up vines, dropped leaves to block his eyes, and even tugged on his tail. Sly was startled. Confused and defeated, Sly turned and slithered away, never to bother the ant colony again. The ants cheered. They had protected their home and queen, all because they worked as one team. And so, the tiny ants showed the jungle that even the smallest heroes can be the bravest. Moral of the story: teamwork and courage make you strong, no matter your size. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Kids Corner for more fun stories and adventures.